Hey everybody, Danny Ball here at SETZER'S World of Camping, Huntington, West Virginia. We'll let everybody know that we are the new Dutchmen Astoria fifth wheel and travel trail dealer here in Huntington, West Virginia. We've got one fifth wheel on the lot with more to come. Let's do a quick walk around. I'll show you what we got. This is a 1500 series towable camper. It weighs in at 7,700 pounds the way it sits, and the model number is 2533 RDF. You can see it on our website at SETZER'SRV.com. As you can see on the back side, we have slide awnings already installed. This does have two air conditioners, one in the master bedroom and one in the living area. Has nice LED lights around the front cap. Got a huge awning. Nice big pass-through storage. It's a 50 amp hookup. Tankless hot water heater. Refrigerator on the outside. Aluminum wheels. Has 4-point auto leveling. Got the solid steps. And it's got the flat top griddle. It also comes with outdoor camera already installed. Ladder on the back there where you can get up on the roof, fully walkable roof. Let's go inside and check it out. As you come inside, you got the nice U-shaped dinette here at the back. Makes into a full-size bed. And look at all the windows this thing has. All the way around. All the windows above your recliners. Got a nice pantry and storage here next to the refrigerator. You come around, you've got storage up top, stainless steel appliances, all that countertop space. Right across from the recliners, you've got the fireplace. Right above that, you get the nice big flat screen television. AM, FM, Bluetooth stereo, indoor and outdoor speakers. And the nice thing about this, when you're sitting in the recliners, if you're on a campground, a lake, wherever, you're looking straight out the windows where you can see out. Let's go through here and check out the bathroom and the master bedroom. There's a nice bathroom, great big shower. Very low step, easy to get in and out of. Good amount of room around the toilet. You in the bath or in the bedroom here, you got a wardrobe slide, so you have all kinds of storage on this side. You have USBs and receptacle plugs on both sides of the bed. Nightstands on both sides of the bed. Storage above. Like I said, it's already got the air conditioner in the master bedroom. And check out this wardrobe and closet in the bedroom. It has roller shades throughout. USB ports everywhere, all over this camper. One nice feature is these receptacles here. You push a button, it goes down out of your way. Have one there and one back here at the dinette. You just push the button on top, raise it up. There you go. Anyway, we're open 9 to 5 Monday through Saturday. We'd love to see you come down and check it out. We'd love to earn your business.